We have rules. By Jerry Cipriano. We have rules in school. We raise our hands before speaking. One person may speak at a time. We have rules at home. We share chores. We say please and thank you. We have rules for games. We play fairly. We follow the rules. We're good sports. We have rules for sports. In soccer, we use our feet. We don't use our hands. We have rules for playing. We are polite. We wait our turn to go down the slide. We have rules and laws in our country. We have rules to help us. We have laws to keep us safe.